Ever wondered how one farm can turn fluffy sheep into both warm sweaters and tasty meals? Well, get ready because today we're visiting one of the most successful sheep farms in the country. These farmers have cracked the code on raising sheep for both meat and wool, and they're about to share their secrets with us. What you learn today might surprise you, especially when you find out how much money a single sheep can make in just 1 year. Starting a sheep farm isn't as simple as buying some sheep and letting them eat grass. The most successful farmers know that everything begins with choosing the right breed. Some sheep are great for meat but have terrible wool. Others grow amazing wool but don't make good meat. The secret is picking sheep that can do both well. The most popular breeds for this are the Suffolk, Dorset, and Rambouillet sheep. These special breeds can give farmers both tasty meat and soft, valuable wool. Before any sheep arrive at the farm, the land needs to be just right. Sheep need different types of areas to stay healthy and happy. They need open fields with good grass for eating, shady spots for hot days, and dry, covered areas for rainy weather. Smart farmers divide their land into sections using fences. This way, they can move their sheep around to different patches of grass throughout the year. It's like having multiple dinner tables for your sheep. When one gets empty, you move them to the next one. Sheep might look tough with all that wool, but they need protection. Good farmers put up strong fences that go deep into the ground. This keeps the sheep in and keeps predators like coyotes and wolves out. They also get guard dogs, big, friendly animals that live with the sheep and protect them day and night. These dogs become part of the sheep family, and they take their job very seriously. Now this is where sheep farming gets really interesting. Breeding isn't just about letting sheep have babies. Smart farmers plan their breeding seasons very carefully. They want lambs to be born when the weather is nice and there's plenty of fresh grass. Most farms plan for spring babies, but some clever farmers breed their sheep to have lambs in winter. This way, they can sell meat when other farms can't and get better prices. Pregnant sheep need extra special care. Farmers give them more food and better quality hay. They check on them more often and keep them in sheltered areas as they get closer to having their babies. The last few weeks before lambing are super important. That's when the baby lambs grow the most inside their mothers. Good farmers know that taking care of mom means healthy babies, and healthy babies mean more profit later. When lambs are born, the farm becomes a very busy place. Each new lamb needs to be checked right away to make sure it's healthy. Farmers help the lambs find their mother's milk and make sure they're drinking well. They give each lamb a special ear tag with a number, just like giving them a name tag. This helps farmers keep track of which lambs belong to which mothers and how old each lamb is. Baby lambs grow really fast. In just a few months, they go from tiny, wobbly babies to strong young sheep. During this time, farmers watch them closely and give them special food to help them grow big and strong. The lambs stay close to their mothers, learning important sheep skills like which plants are good to eat and how to stay with the flock. This is also when farmers start thinking about which lambs they'll keep for wool production and which ones will be raised for meat. Young sheep need to learn lots of things. They need to know how to follow the flock, come when the farmer calls, and stay away from dangerous places. The older sheep and guard dogs help teach the young ones these important lessons. It's like having a sheep school where the youngsters learn everything they need to know about being good farm animals. The smarter they are, the easier they are to take care of, and the more money they can make for the farm. Shearing time on the farm is like a big haircut party for sheep. Once a year, usually in spring before it gets too hot, skilled workers come to the farm with special electric clippers. These aren't like the hair clippers at a barber shop. They're made just for sheep. A good shearer can remove all the wool from one sheep in about 5 minutes, and they do it without hurting the sheep at all. The sheep actually feel much better after shearing, especially when hot weather comes. When the wool comes off the sheep, it doesn't look anything like the yarn you'd buy in a store. It's full of dirt, dust, and natural sheep oil called lanolin. Farmers sort the wool right away, picking out the best pieces that will sell for the highest prices. They pack it into huge bags called bales. Each bale can weigh as much as you do. These bales go to special wool processing places where they clean the wool and get it ready for making clothes and other things. Some lambs on the farm are chosen to become meat. These lambs get extra food to help them grow bigger faster. Farmers watch them carefully and weigh them often to know when they're the right size. Most lambs are ready for meat production when they're about 6 to 8 months old. That's when they've grown enough to give the best meat. But they're still young enough that the meat is tender. Farmers work with special doctors called veterinarians to make sure all their sheep stay healthy. They give the sheep medicine to prevent sickness and check them often. This is super important because healthy sheep make better meat and wool. The farmers also keep careful records of what each sheep eats and how much it grows. It's like giving each sheep its own report card. Having both meat and wool from the same farm is like running 2 different businesses at once. Smart farmers plan everything carefully. They might sell wool in spring after shearing and sell meat in winter when prices are better. This way, they make money all year round instead of just at certain times. They also save some of the best female lambs to grow up and have babies of their own, keeping the farm going year after year. Farmers today don't just sell their meat and wool to big companies. Many of them sell directly to people who want to know where their food and clothes come from. Some farmers even invite people to visit their farms to see how everything works. They might sell meat to local restaurants or wool to people who make their own yarn. This way, they can make more money than selling everything to big companies. Smart farmers are always learning new things. Some use special computers to keep track of their sheep. Others try new types of grass in their fields to help the sheep grow better. Many farmers are also learning about ways to farm that are better for the environment. They plant trees to give sheep more shade and use special fences that don't harm other animals that live near the farm. Sheep farming is changing as new tools and ideas come along. Some farmers are using drones to check on their sheep from above. Others are putting tiny tracking devices on their sheep so they always know where they are. These new ideas help farmers take better care of their sheep and make more money from both meat and wool. The most exciting part? Scientists have just discovered a new way to make sheep wool even warmer and softer than before. They're working with farmers to test it right now, but that's a story we'll have to tell another time. Working with both meat and wool means these farmers never get bored. Every day brings something new to learn and do. The best farmers say that's what keeps them going. There's always something new to discover about these amazing animals. Maybe that's why some farms have been raising sheep for hundreds of years, passing their knowledge down from one generation to the next.